Be 2 weeks ready. Your emergency plan, Activity 5. Follow along on Toolkit, page 45.
Activity number 5. Get kids involved. The goal is to engage children in important and fun preparedness activities. Stage a scavenger hunt with your child. Ask them to find things for their go bag or take a walk outside and look for examples of emergencies in your neighborhood. Have a dress rehearsal where you walk through your emergency plan. Take an hour after dinner or on a weekend and practice what you've discussed so far. Make a game of this every few months to keep your child's memory fresh and help them feel calm and comfortable in case you must evacuate during a disaster.